SongSheet Pro makes importing an image file easy. Start in your library, tap Add Songs, then Browse. Choose the image you want to import, then tap Open. Adjust the title and artist if needed, tap Save, then tap Import. The image is added to your song library, ready to view whenever you need it. You can use the same flow to import several images at once. Tap Add Songs, then Browse, and choose the images you want to import. Tap Open, check the import settings, then tap Import Songs. SongSheet Pro adds each image as a separate song in your library. You can also import an image from your photo library. Tap Add Songs, then Photos, and choose the image you want to import. Adjust the metadata. For this example, I'll use OCR to convert the image into editable text before importing it. Tap Save. Tap OCR, review the converted text, then tap Import. Back in your library, find and open the song, then tap Edit to make any changes. SongSheet Pro saves your edits automatically. When you're finished, tap Done. You can also start from the Files app. Touch and hold the image, tap Open With, then choose SongSheet. Adjust the metadata, tap Save, then tap Import. The image appears in your SongSheet Pro library. From Photos, open the image, tap the Share button, then choose SongSheet. Adjust the metadata, tap Save, then tap Import. The image is saved as a song in your library. If you find an image of a song sheet online, you can drag it straight into SongSheet Pro. Touch and hold the image, drag it into your library, then tap Import. SongSheet Pro adds it to your songs. Don't worry if you didn't use OCR when you first imported the image. You can convert the song at any time. Tap Edit, then tap Convert Song. Review the converted text, then tap Save. Now that it's editable text, you can make changes just like any other SongSheet Pro song.